Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NUBIA Neo 3 and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So first of all, we have to open the recents, and depending on what kind of navigation type you've got set, you can do it differently. If you've got the 3 buttons navigation, simply tap on the button with the square icon or 3 bars icon. And if you've got the gestures, swipe your finger from the button to the center of your device and hold your finger somewhere here, something like that. And here we've got the recents. If you wish, you can close them one by one manually just by swiping them up like that. But if you've got a lot of apps opened, I simply recommend to tap on this X button right here, which will automatically close all of them. So we can open the recents to check, and here we've got no recent items. As you can see, we cannot even stay there, which means that we just successfully closed all background apps. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.